We often think of our genes as a fixed destiny, but what if we could influence how those genes express themselves? This is the exciting frontier of epigenetics. Epigenetics explores factors beyond our DNA sequence. Your epigenome is dynamic, responsive to the world around you. This has profound implications for mental health. Our daily choices can alter the epigenetic landscape of our brains. Imagine identical twins sharing the same DNA blueprint. Despite this genetic similarity, they might lead very different lives and experience vastly different levels of mental well-being. One twin might thrive, while the other struggles with anxiety or depression. How is this possible? Epigenetics provides a compelling explanation. While both twins inherit the same genes, their environments and experiences create unique epigenetic modifications. These modifications, like chemical tags attached to DNA, determine how genes are expressed. Stressful experiences, for example, can leave epigenetic marks that make individuals more susceptible to mental health challenges. Conversely, positive experiences like mindfulness practices or strong social connections can create epigenetic changes that promote resilience and well-being. The key takeaway is this: your genes are not your destiny. Your environment, both internal and external, plays a crucial role in shaping your mental health. The dynamic nature of the epigenome offers a message of hope. Just as negative experiences can negatively impact gene expression, positive lifestyle changes can create positive epigenetic shifts, leading to improvements in mental health. Consider the impact of nutrition. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and omega-3 fatty acids provides the building blocks for a healthy epigenome and supports optimal brain function. On the other hand, a diet high in processed foods and sugar can negatively impact gene expression, potentially increasing the risk of mental health issues. Similarly, regular physical activity has been shown to positively influence gene expression, promoting neuroplasticity and reducing stress hormones. Exercise isn't just good for the body, it's a powerful tool for rewiring the brain for greater resilience. By understanding the interconnectedness of our lifestyle choices and our epigenome, we can make conscious decisions to create a healthier, more supportive internal environment for our genes. The impact of trauma on mental health provides a stark example of epigenetics in action. Studies on individuals who have experienced significant trauma, such as childhood abuse or neglect, reveal distinct epigenetic changes in areas of the brain associated with stress response and emotional regulation. These epigenetic modifications can make individuals more vulnerable to conditions like PTSD, anxiety, and depression. However, promising research suggests that therapeutic interventions such as psychotherapy and mindfulness-based practices can help reverse some of these negative epigenetic changes. This highlights the incredible plasticity of the brain and the power we possess to heal and transform even in the face of adversity. By adopting healthy coping mechanisms and engaging in therapeutic practices, we can rewrite the epigenetic narrative of trauma and pave the way for healing and recovery. Nutrition for the mind is essential for positive genetic expression. The food we consume provides raw materials our genes need to function optimally. Just as a car needs the right fuel, our brains require specific nutrients for healthy gene expression. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains protects our DNA and promotes healthy epigenetic modifications. Incorporating these brain-boosting foods into your diet can profoundly impact your mental health. Movement as medicine, exercise, and your mental health. We all know exercise is good for our physical health, but its impact on mental health is equally profound. Physical activity acts as a powerful epigenetic modulator, influencing gene expression in ways that promote emotional well-being and cognitive function. Exercise increases blood flow to the brain, delivering oxygen and nutrients while removing waste products. This enhanced circulation supports the growth of new brain cells in the hippocampus, a region crucial for learning, memory, and emotional regulation. Moreover, exercise stimulates the release of endorphins, our body's natural mood elevators. These feel-good chemicals interact with receptors in the brain to reduce pain perception and trigger feelings of euphoria and well-being. Whether it's a brisk walk in nature, a dance class, or a gym session, find a form of movement you enjoy and make it a regular part of your routine. Your genes will thank you. Mindfulness matters, calming the genetic storm. In our fast-paced modern world, stress has become a chronic condition for many. This constant state of fight or flight takes a toll on our mental and physical health, leaving its mark on our genes. Mindfulness-based practices offer a powerful antidote to the damaging effects of stress. Techniques like meditation, deep breathing exercises, and yoga have been shown to reduce the activity of genes associated with inflammation and stress response while promoting the expression of genes involved in relaxation and emotional regulation. By calming the nervous system and shifting us from a state of reactivity to one of responsiveness, mindfulness practices create a cascade of positive epigenetic changes that benefit both mind and body. Incorporating even a few minutes of mindfulness into your daily routine can make a significant difference. Start small and gradually increase the duration as you become more comfortable. The ripple effect, epigenetics, and generational well-being. The implications of epigenetics extend beyond our individual lives. They influence the health and well-being of future generations. Research suggests that epigenetic changes acquired during our lifetime can be passed down to our children and even grandchildren. This means that the choices we make today, the foods we eat, the stress we manage, the connections we nurture, can have a lasting impact on the health and well-being of our descendants. While this might seem like a heavy responsibility, it's also an empowering opportunity. By adopting a lifestyle that promotes positive epigenetic changes, we not only improve our own lives, but also create a legacy of health and resilience for generations to come. Your genes, your power. Embracing a brighter future. The emerging field of epigenetics offers a revolutionary perspective on mental health, shifting the paradigm from one of genetic determinism to one of empowerment and possibility. We are not passive recipients of our genetic inheritance. We are active participants in shaping our genetic destiny. By understanding the profound interplay between our environment, our lifestyle choices, and our genes, we can take control of our mental well-being and create lasting positive change. Embrace the power you have within you, the power to rewrite your genetic story and create a brighter, healthier future for yourself and generations to come.